Guys, welcome back to another Corn Dog Caravan video. Today's video we are going to be replacing a side mirror insert on the Ram Promaster. So if you watched the video, I guess it was maybe last year when I replaced the side mirror after it got hit by the Raven. Sucker broke that mirror really good. But Dave with OneAdVantureAtATime, friends of ours, said, hey, I need a side mirror. So when I was taking ours apart, I went ahead and carefully pulled out the little side piece because my mirror assembly was totally destroyed, but the mirror itself was good. And I tried to actually get both the big one and the little one and got the top one out easy. It's really 4 little simple clips that just snap in to hold it in, but the bottom one I tried to get out and it didn't come out. So we're going to try to get this swapped out today. His is cracked, so let's go take a look and see what we get. All right, so we are doing a side mirror removal on a Ram Promaster. Yeah, see if you can get, there we go.
Oh, thank, that was a lot easier than I thought it was going to be. You were right. That looks great.
So this was damaged. If you turn that around,
as you can see right there.
Yeah, a little crack there.
I think a rock hit it right. It was either here, and that's what cracked it.
So taking a peek inside the mirror on the Ram Promaster, I don't think really is a variance other than possibly the wide mirror format might have a different profile possibly, but for the standard mirror, whether it's, in this case, is yours, none of it's power.
None of it, yeah. Yeah,
this is a non-powered mirror, non-heated, not self-cleaning probably either, is it?
No, it's not.
Man, wouldn't that be nice?
The light over here, but it's just not wired.
Yeah, and I would say, one would think if I'm an engineer, that I would probably make it where I could get to the, the bulb from just popping that off and making it easy, but no, let's make it more difficult.
Yeah, you sure think you'd be able to access the wire there.
So you've got the lower mirror, you've got the upper, and really just a little clip here. So it's just going to be literally just popping it on and off.
All right, well, let's put it back
just
in.
kind of line it up. You'll probably feel the little circle, possibly.
So when I'm putting these little knobs on, where are these knobs are just going to go like on the side of this, or is
you're just
mainly focusing on this?
Yeah, see the little. Yeah, I'll show this real quick. So right here.
Yeah, oh, I see.
I gotcha. Let me see if I'm pointing with the right finger. Oh, that's your hand. The whole. So there's 4.
And they got the nubs.
And then the little nubs. Yeah. So just kind of slide it up and just get it.
All right.
We can kind of feel it. Probably, maybe with the flat hand. Kind of.
Felt like a lot of pressure.
And it's just got those little triangle tabs right here that will just push out of the way. So as long as it's centered on that, and it really can't go any other way.
That's pretty close right there.
Just kind of do a jiggle wiggle. Yeah.
Oh, that must have been it.
That felt right. Sounded right.
That sounded right?
Yeah.
Oh, that was easier than I thought.
So, project time. Man, that took like a couple hours.
I really thought that was going to take at least 20 minutes. But
yeah.
Thank you, Ray. I appreciate the mirror.
Oh, hang on. Let me back up and get you in here. So, yeah, it was like, what, tops 3 minutes.
Yeah.
Yeah,
that's
so
having not ever done it before for me. So.
Yeah, so on our channel, I did the side mirror. I had to replace the whole thing, and Dave was telling me that his, the piece we just replaced, that his needed replaced. I'm like, let me pop mine off. Now, I will say, when I did mine, I can't remember if it was in my video or not, but when I went to pop this guy off,
It broke.
it broke. It just started shattering all through, and I was like, luckily you didn't need that one. So
that was perfect.
So in this
That's
case,
been broken for 2 years.
So in this case, mine was a heated mirror, but there was no, since this is the standard mirror assembly, there was no wires to hook up. There was nothing really to do. So really simple. So thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button if you're not a subscriber, and comment below if you have any questions. Thanks, guys.